Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today with BK. Hope everyone's doing okay. Had a good Christmas and about to have a good New Year's. I just wanted to give an update on this VCM OTR that I installed. The description will have the previous video regarding, and it will also pop up at the end of this video if you want to go back and look at it. Everything's going good. I think not having any problems with it. Someone was asking about spraying in here if it got in and would cause a problem. This scoops down extremely far down. I can't even get my fingers in there to get to it. So by the time the water gets in here, I mean, you'd have to drive through 3 feet of water, and you wouldn't be doing that anyway in a sedan no matter what, if you could help it. But that's really what would do it. I've had a pressure washer spraying in here, just spraying all around. It's worked fine, no problems. All I'm doing now is just keeping a battery tender on it. Like I did a little short about in this weather when it's cold like this, put a tender on your batteries, keep them up. It did one of those weird things when I walked out here. I went to go open the door and it would not give me any type of signal to unlock the doors. So I had to manually unlock it, and then it became a like alarm system going off, and I had to unlock it with the key fob, and it went away. So anybody who owns one of these knows they can be finicky like that, but it's hard to see in there. I don't have a flashlight right now, but that little tube that I put on is still, or tube cover back in there, is still on there. It's working great. Hope it helps someone else. That's also another video I did. But that's it for right now. Being winter, I'm trying not to drive it out too much. Do try to take it out, and I'm telling you, anybody that's done this, put this on. It is a night and day difference, especially when you have ambient 45 degrees or 50 degrees. It just loves it. And like any V8, any motor, getting cooler air, condensed cooler air. But boy, this thing loves it. It will pick up. You can just feel a difference. But if any questions, comments, just leave them down there. Let me know what you think. Once again, I love this car. If it doesn't give me any major problems, I'm going to try to hold on to it. Like I said, ceramic coated, clean, still about 22,000 miles on it. So hope that everyone has a great New Year's. And I'll see y'all next year. Out.